Make a great choice today with the 2013 Camaro. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed manual transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, remote keyless entry, fog lights, dual power mirrors, interval wipers. Inside you'll find backup camera, heated seats, Bluetooth, premium sound system, OnStar Communication System, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power driver's seat, tilt steering wheel. Camaro is developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.